Welcome to Amafans Watch TV. It's the MTN 8 semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Tawana. My brother, what did you think about today's game?
My brother, they had a plan to destroy Uzwan by Enzile. Akuna flop. Bafuna ukushaya uAlende noZwane. Bawinile basha uZwane akuna flop.
Okay, yeah, so ufila ukuthi bamkape ngamabomu.
Bamkape ngamabomu.
Yeah.
Because the intention to do that.
Iplaniwe ukinjara uZwane.
Bazile ukuthi ushika akuna umuntu ongambamba.
Yebo bhuti.
Shika.
Yes sir.
Mara epitori Brian.
Yeah.
Utshele ngeke babuye.
Isikole mitsobe kuyini my brother?
Epitori siwenzele favor.
Yeah.
Champion score.
Yeah.
1-0. Asifuna ukubadisturbe abaprivate. 1-0. Snap.
Yeah, and man of the match my brother.
Uyazile. The little problem ayishaya. Ayibona yena. Sobathola my brother.